Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jean Marquez, a board-certified dermatologist for 23 years. Today I'm going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions, and that is, what is the difference between Thermage and Ultherapy? Actually, these two treatments can effectively stimulate collagen and elastic fibers using heat. Yun lang, the difference is Thermage uses heat from radiofrequency energy, and Ultherapy uses heat from ultrasound energy. Now, as to the penetration to the skin, the Thermage can penetrate up to the layer of the lower dermis to stimulate collagen and elastic fibers. Ganun din yung Ultherapy. But Ultherapy can also penetrate not just the lower dermis, but also on the SMAS layer where the actual non-surgical procedure or surgical facelift is being done by surgeons. So that's why it's called FDA-approved non-surgical facelifting procedure. When it comes to firming loose skin and improving the appearance of wrinkles, both can effectively do that as well. During the treatment, both treatments are tolerable. Some patients will say that Thermage is painful, some naman Ultherapy. It depends, of course, on the patient. But both treatments are tolerable. An anesthetic cream is being placed prior to the treatment. Maximal results for Thermage can be seen after 6 months, while Ultherapy can be seen after 3 to 4 months. So have you been wondering which treatment is best for you? Well, I suggest that you consult a board-certified dermatologist so that you will know which is best for your skin condition. For more educational contents and skincare tips, like and follow us for more.